This is a Wyldlynx quick tip video using Microsoft Teams. In this video, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to change the theme of your Microsoft Teams application. Teams has a number of different themes to choose from to suit personal preference or vision needs. To change your theme, click on your user profile in the top right corner of the application. Then select Settings. It will display General Settings, and this is where you can select your theme. You can choose from the default, dark mode, or high contrast. Select your desired theme, then exit out of the settings menu, and the changes will be displayed automatically. Check out our Microsoft Teams playlist on YouTube to find out more great tips using Microsoft Teams. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you found this video helpful in any way. Also, check out our events page on our website to find out more about our live and free Microsoft Teams training sessions.